control panel. Okay, you go to control panel, and in control panel you have to go to network and internet. Okay, click this network and internet. It is open, and after click network and internet view network station and task. Okay, view network status and task. Okay, click this view network status and task, and again click change adapter setting. This is very important setting. Change adapter setting. This control panel, network and internet, network connection, organize. Okay, and choose Ethernet. Okay, Ethernet, you can choose Ethernet and go to the properties of Ethernet. Okay, if you go to the properties of internet, you can choose, you have to choose IP version 4. You choose IP version 4, TCP IP version 4. Choose IP version 4 and click, double click. Okay, this is open, and use obtain IP address automatically. This is inbuilt IP address, so you can choose use the following IP address. Before using anything, use command prompt and type ipconfig. Okay, this is your IP address. You can see this is your IP address. Your IP address is 192.168.10.111. Okay, and this is your subnet mask. This is IP1 address, IP3 address, and this is your subnet mask 255.255.255.0. This is C class IP address. This is C class subnet mask, and this is your default gateway 192.168.10.1. Okay, use this IP address. Okay, 192.168.10.111. Use the following IP address. Your IP address is, you can see, 192.168.10, 192.168.10. Okay, left it fourth column. Okay, and the subnet mask is 255 dot and default gateway. What is the default gateway? 192.168.10.1. 192.168.10.1. 192.168.10.1. Okay. This is the default gateway. Okay, and again use the following DNS server. What is your IP address? Okay, and again go to the control panel and use the command up config /all and enter. This is not valid. Sorry, use config /all. It's also not valid. Okay, then use ipconfig all /all. Use ipconfig /all and see. This is your IPv address which you preferred. Okay, you are preferring 192.168.10.111. you can prefer, and this is your subnet mask. You can understand, and this is all information regarding your IP address. Lease expired something, default gateway. This is your default gateway, DHCP server, DHCP v6. Okay, choose IP address port 192.168.10.111. 192.168.10.111. 192.168.10.111. 10.111. Okay. Alternate DNS address. What is alternate DNS address? This is your alternate DNS address. Okay. For alternate DNS address, use the command ARP space -a. Okay. This is your alternate DNS server which you have locating. Okay, 192.168.10.1, 192.168.10.1. okay, or this is dynamic and this is 192.168.10.255. this is your static. You can use 192.168.10.1, 168.10.1, 10.1. And in the place of this thing, you can choose something which you want. Okay, if you want to choose 200, you can choose. Man, this is your new IP address. You can understand 192.168.10.200. This is your new IP address and this is your following DNS server, and click OK and proceed. Okay, this is all the functionalities of IP address which you understand. Okay, maybe you have to use something, this type of command. First command is use IP for show IP address, ipconfig, and enter. For upcoming IP address, use ipconfig/all, and for ping. And last thing is ping. You can ping your IP address which you entered, and you can also ping. After ping, your IP address goes to all the parts of the system, and easily you can change your IP address. Go to the setting and click OK. Okay, this is the topic of how to change the IP address in Windows 10, Windows 7. All the process is already same. You can easily change the IP address and proceed all the thing. Okay guys, thank you.